Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Mitsubishi Lancer. First, gather your essential tools: a wrench, an oil drain pan, and jack stands. You will also need new engine oil, typically 4 to 5 quarts, and a fresh oil filter. Remember to always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process. Next, safely lift your Lancer using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your oil drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing all the old, dirty engine oil to completely drain out. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. After the oil has fully drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely. Now, locate and carefully remove the old oil filter, being prepared for any remaining oil. Take your new oil filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket, and then hand tighten it until it's snug, followed by an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, lower your vehicle safely to the ground. Remove the oil fill cap on your engine. Carefully pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 4 to 5 quarts, using a funnel. Replace the cap, then start your engine for about 30 seconds. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, and then check the oil level with the dipstick, looking for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.